Oh, hey, buddy.
What's up, buddy?
Today,
What we gonna do today?
we're going to put the hinges on these doors, and we're also going to rust up the cab.
Sounds good. Let's do it.
Now, the hinges that I used, they're dollhouse hinges.
What?
I got them at Hobby Lobby. You know what I'm saying?
Dollhouse?
Shut up. And
Don't tell me
I'm
to
going to
shut
add some brass to it to make it, easier to deal with.
Okay, I got you.
And to also give it a little strength. You know what I'm saying? So these hinges cost $6.99.
$6.99. Okay,
set of
that's
4.
pretty good.
Hobby Lobby.
You always go to Hobby Lobby.
So as you can see, I got one hinge on, and I went ahead and put the door panel on the inside. That's just straight balsa wood, not stained. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut out the other one. Wow, now I see the brass that you used. Oh, you see that? Kind of overboard, ain't it? What you mean overboard? I'm saying it's just a lot of brass. I mean, a lot of.
Couldn't you have
Wait,
made it a little smaller?
It don't even matter. It's gonna be hidden. Nobody's gonna see it.
Alright, you say so.
And I'm not even arguing with you on this video.
Okay.
So now I'm just tracing out the shape of the door panel onto the balsa wood. And when you cutting this, you got to be very, very careful, because if you cutting with the grain, they have a tendency to break off, ahead of where you're trying to cut. So you kind of gotta cut it across grain. You know what I'm saying? Across the grain, and make sure that every other cut, you paying attention, because, like I say, if you start to cut, if you with that grain, it'll just take the whole piece off. You know what I'm saying? You'll ruin your work. So just be careful of that. Are you done? Yeah. So before we apply the super glue, we always test fit, make sure everything is looking good. Looks good to me. And everything is looking good. That's what I said. So now that we got that test fitted, let's go ahead and apply this super glue. Is that the only kind of glue you have? Super glue? Because you always using it. Probably. I mean, I don't know. I don't use no other glue. I might have some other kind of glue. I don't know. I got some 2-part epoxy, but I don't ever use that.
That worked pretty good.
It do, but super glue work good too.
Okay.
To each his own, I guess. Yep. So now what you doing? Right now I'm just test fitting the door onto the body.
Oh.
I'm not gluing it to the body yet, because I still gotta, put the rust on it and all that. But yeah, I'm just looking to see how it's gonna sit, so that when I get everything done, I could just glue it on there and everything will be good. Everything will be good, huh? Oh man, I don't know if I want to watch this. Okay, so now we're ready for the rust. I found this kit at Hobby Lobby for $19.99, and I just wanted to check it out. It was in the paint section. And it's actually rust, real rust, and it's 3 parts to it, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna just open this up and show you what I got in the box. What's in the box? Oh, I hate you. Not funny? No. My bad. So first off, it come with a sprayer. You know what I'm saying? The straw is brown because I already used it. I already tested it out. And then you got a bottle of primer. Now the primer is too thick to go through that sprayer, so I ended up brushing this on, but it's all good. Then you got some iron. You got a bottle of iron. You spray this on, you let that dry, you know what I'm saying? And then once that dry, you're gonna want to put this rust activator on it. The rust activator, once that dry, well, as it dries, you'll begin to see the rust, you know what I'm saying? And it's real rust. So just check out my process, you know what I'm saying? So we start off with the bare body, nothing on it. Okay. And I didn't know how that rust was gonna show up. I didn't know if it was gonna be some spots where it didn't show up. So I went ahead and painted it red underneath, you know what I'm saying? Just in case. Yeah, and I ended up not needing that, because you'll see the final process. So anyway, I put the primer on, and then the iron. And I put the rust activator on it. And right now you're gonna see, as it dries, the changes that it go through. You know what I'm saying? Wow. I don't know why I keep saying you know what I'm saying. Cause you stupid. It's just a verbal crutch. So this is the final look after it completely dried. What? I went ahead and hung the doors. Man. So yeah. Okay. I mean, it looked good if you ask me. It looked like real.
I like that a lot.
real rust. I mean, I guess it is real rust, but
Yeah, that's
anyway.
real rust.
So yeah, I got my doors hung.
It looks nothing like it was supposed to.
Looking
on the
nice.
box.
Yep. I just got to put the door handles on,
Yeah.
and I may put some armrests or something on the inside door panels. I don't know. You know, I got to figure that out. But anyway, this is what we're working with. Hope you guys liked it.
I do.
You know what I'm saying? Like,
I will.
comment, subscribe.
I do.
Tell your friends.
I will.
Tell your enemies.
I have.
Tell everybody.
You know this.
We out. Peace.
Peace.